I was thinking about being a woman and how I grew up with kind of a chip on my shoulder because my parents wanted a boy. And and so then I spent the early part of my life trying to be a boy. That didn't work very well. And so then those things, though, that were in me started coming out, things that had me be more intuitive and more feeling. And it was a real battle in the early part of my life, in my early adult life, because on the surface, those things weren't really valued, but yet they worked. And I had some successes in my life because of that. And then it really wasn't until after I took another step in a different direction to try to cultivate that part of me, although I wouldn't have identified it as that. I just knew that there was something more that needed to come out. And that has been the to understand and allow myself to accept those feminine qualities and to accept the masculine qualities and how they need to work together. They need to work together. And that's what brings a great satisfaction in life, that brings a sense of fulfillment, that allows us to actually move forward and do the things that we really want to do in life. And I can't even express it enough that it's not this exact science, it's exact nature. And the more you allow yourself to do that, I know in my experience, the more I have allowed myself to do that, the the, the more fabulous my life becomes. So it's fabulous to be a woman. It's fabulous to be a man. I'm a woman and I love it. And when I love that, then I can love all parts of me and all parts of you.